Thank you. I'm very well. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thank you for asking.
So I can see a beautiful scenery, behind you.
Yes, I set in my settings background.
Oh, that's great. Really beautiful.
Thank you. It is the one of the options Skype. Change background.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me how was your day today?
Yeah. I mean, it was great. It was good.
Okay, tell me about you. Can I know?
Yes, why not? My name is Anand,
Okay.
and I'm a teacher. Okay, I teach subjects like mathematics, physics, chemistry, and as well as I have my own institute.
Oh, you are teacher. Okay.
Yeah.
Still, you are learning English through Cambly.
Yeah, I'm learning English through Cambly because you know that I'm not up to the mark in English. So still, I'm trying to improve my English.
Okay. Can I know your qualification? What is your study? What you are
Yes,
studying?
I have done BSc. Right now, I am pursuing my MSc in chemistry honor.
Okay. Now you are
Yeah,
teaching only mathematics.
yeah. I
Yes.
teach mathematics, physics, and chemistry, four subjects.
It's great. It's great thing.
Yeah.
I love maths. I studied in my intermediate MPC, mathematics, physics, and chemistry.
Oh, really?
Yes. I have I so interest to learn mathematics and teach also.
Oh, that's great, really. So I have seen one thing that very few women, are interested in mathematics. But if you are interested, that is great thing. Okay.
Yes, yes. So many telling mathematics very hard subject. They are not like very well to
Yeah.
what that is calculations and formulas. But
Of course, but I don't think that it is hard. Okay, it depends on person to person and their preference. Okay, because I have seen few of the girls who were very intelligent in mathematics. Okay, and yeah, yeah, as well as some boys who cannot solve any question in my class. Okay, when I was in 11th, 12th class.
you teach childrens or adults, I mean college students.
Yeah, yeah, they are from standard 6 to 12th. Okay, so you can say they're adolescents and as well as adult.
Adults. Okay. It's great. It is great job you are doing.
Yeah. So what is your job right now?
Right now I'm a housewife. I'm
Okay.
executive house executive. I work for my family and my baby. I take in my baby. I studied my engineering in
Okay.
electronics and communication department. After my
Oh,
studies, I got married. So that's why I don't have much time to do work.
okay. You don't have time. I think you have engineering degree and you can earn, a good amount of money if you want.
Yes, but I don't have. But I my aim is, and also I want to take care my baby now, right now.
Okay, that's very good. Because nowadays I see sometime, okay, people do not care about their baby and they will just, go behind money, but you are not doing so. Okay, so that's really impressive.
Because because I don't have my mother-in-law and father-in-law. So
Oh, so
that's that's why I taking myself only. And also I am practicing English.
yeah, I can see. Great.
Yes, I am also seeing your videos. You are doing great job. Your English is so good. You are talking very slowly, confidently, and you are doing great job. And also you are studying stories. You are telling moral stories. Abdul Kalam, like.
Thank you very much. But I don't think that I'm up to the mark. But really, yes, I'm working, and I hope that I will achieve fluency and everything.
Yes, most of the people not doing very well in English speaking out.
Yes.
They are very nervous to speak out. I am also I doing my engineering, but I also feel nervous to speak out. Now I am doing I am now I am so free to speak out. Still I'm learning English through Cambly.
Okay, that's great, really. Yeah, of course, I think Cambly is good platform for learning English, but in the meanwhile, it is very expensive.
Yes, yes. I know after my paid money.
Yeah.
I know that. Okay, tell me what now. Now, what is the situation is going there? Its colleges and institutions is open.
No, still the college and schools are not open. Yeah, schools are open uh, uh, for the standard 9 to 12th student, okay? But college are still closed.
Okay. Can I forget to ask you where are you from?
Okay, I'm from Bihar, okay? Bihar.
Bihar. You are living in Bihar or village or like other place?
I'm living in a town, okay? The name of this town is Darbhanga.
Dharmenda. Dharmenda.
Dar Darbhanga, Darbhanga. Yeah,
Okay. Banga.
yeah.
Okay. Okay. It's good. It
Yeah,
have
today I was,
institutions is there in your
yes,
town. Institutions is there in town.
yeah, there is institution.
Okay. Okay.
So,
Can you ask anything from me?
of course, so where are you from? I also forget to ask you, sorry.
I am from Andhra Pradesh. Do you know Andhra Pradesh?
Yes, I know, of course.
You know my mother language, mother tongue. It is Telugu.
Okay, Telugu. So I think, yeah, Telugu speaking people has very difficult to get rid of their MTI, mother tongue influence. Okay, because one
Ex-
of my friend is from Andhra Pradesh. Yeah, he's also from Andhra Pradesh. So when I talk with him, I find really difficult because they find sometimes very difficulty to pronounce any word. I know, everybody has problem with their MTI, and I have also a lots of problem with it.
Yes. You which language you are speaking out there? Speaking. What is your mother tongue?
We speak Hindi here,
Hindi. Okay.
as well as
Yes.
Mathli.
What?
Mathli. You
Hindi.
would be not knowing about this language. Yeah, Mathli.
Okay. It is similar to Hindi.
No, it is very different from Hindi.
Okay. You are speaking. You are good in India in that language. Mathili.
Yeah, because this is our mother tongue. Okay, we speak in local in here in local. Okay, so yeah, we are good at Mathli, but as well as in Hindi. Okay, most of the time we speak Hindi, but when we go in our village or then we speak in Mathli.
Okay. It's good. Indians
Yeah.
are speaking very well.
because
Can I?
India itself has lots of regional language. Yeah.
Yes, Hindi. Most throughout India, Hindi is speaking very well. Everyone.
Yes. So please go on.
Oh yes. How to you improve your English? It is helpful to reading books or seeing videos or like what you gained from knowledge English. You gained it, especially speaking English.
Okay, I do everything. I mean, I do reading, I do writing, I do listening, okay, and speaking as well. So yeah, my writing section is weak because I do not find much time to write. But yeah, I keep listening always. So my prominent activity is listening, and I do listening always.
Okay. Listening is very helpful to English, improve English. Is right?
Yes, yeah, of course, listening is very useful because and you can listen anytime, anywhere. So there is a continent with listening.
Yes. Okay, Anand.
Okay, so yeah, bye, good night. So hope that I will see you again. Bye,
Yes. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Good night.
bye, bye, good night.